Well, a child arrangements order is a formal order from the court which sets out where a child will live, with whom, or how often and when they will see a parent, and can also include other specific issues. Commonly referred to as custody or access, but they're no longer in force anymore, and it is a child arrangements order that is granted. Well, applying for a child arrangements order should really be the last resort, and so assuming that you've tried to discuss and compromise with each other and even tried mediation, then it would be a formal application to the court. That requires an application form being completed, a brief summary of the situation and the problems. Those papers will need to be filed with the court, and then a court date will be listed. The important thing to note, though, is that it won't necessarily, and in fact more often than not, is not resolved on the first occasion. There may well be further investigations to be made. Statements may well have to be filed, full detailed statements, and quite often then there will be a second or even a third court hearing before the matter is concluded. So as you can imagine, all of this can prove to be quite costly. Of course, if you can reach an agreement, it can cost nothing at all, but of course if it does progress all the way to a final contested hearing, then you need to realistically expect it to be anything from £5,000 and upwards.